inching me out. And I remember screaming at him in just pure rage. And I was like, how dare you? I am a Sagittarius. I'm a die shark.
Okay. Next show, because I can't take the Zodiac shit.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Sorry to bother you. I know we're not supposed to, but do you mind if I try one of these grapes before I buy them?
I wouldn't care if you lit the store on fire with me in it, sir. To be honest, with all of us in it, then we could all just burn. You know what I'm saying? And instead of grapes, you'll be trying raisins. Bitch, fuck out of here. You know, it's been rough. It's been rough. You know, and I just don't know.
I mean, let's be honest. If they truly knew what you were up against right now, they would be wondering how you were still smiling, how you were still doing the things you're doing. That says a hell of a lot about you. I mean, come on now. We're going to turn them I can'ts into I can. Because you will get through this.
And, you know, things just difficult, you know, very, very difficult right now, you know. Osha.
Thanks.
Brother, everything good? I say you want a high fade, though. Yeah, right up to the top right here. Just bald and then up here. I say, I read, brother, the color on them bad. Brother, I buy about 6 last week. Yeah? Yeah, girl, me I get from there. Respect.
How him sell? Aisle?
Yeah, man, I'll boss this in a brother, I bad.
Aisle boss? I hope him thing there?
Yeah, laugh, no joke about them thing there, brother. Hope you really in a dog.
I don't believe in that bumbo. Hope you not real blood now.
Yeah, man, think a joke to bumbo. Brother, me I tell you, say, me see Guzo work first and me experience it in a youth.
Brother, nobody never Guzo you. Your woman burn your kayana and me catches a simple thing that man.
Yeah, what you just say? You see, you move your blood clot, show your boys you want to come try style, man. I want to hear man go yam your mother.
You go yam my mother.
Say another word and see if me not guzo your blood clot.
Guzo me no?
You stay right there, sir.
Guzo me, me want to see you guzo me.
Turn in a one goat and bust your throat.
That me want to see. Go at me no? Go at me.
Alright, bumbo hole, ready now? We have what you want and a chop a bill and brrr, boop, 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 boop. Bumbo clot.
No, sir. You're running blood clot. Blood of Jesus.
You know what I like here? I like when woman say, man love fake body. Me never in my life hear a man say, him like fake body. We like fat body. Stiff breasts. So if you go suburb now and do surgery and get stiff breasts and fat body, we are gonna like how it look because you put on what you know say we like look pan. You understand? Me never see a man yet go suburb now and say, what you mean your breast now in a silicone? Yo, me want that. What you mean your belly now in your body? Yo, no, me want that. No, and not that. So when I do BBL and all them something, I feel like, oh yeah, the man them a request. No, when I request that blood clot, I wanna do it and then we say, alright, cool. If I saw, then I saw. But now put it on we like a we are making no pressure on to do that and all them something. No, the woman them a pressure the woman them to do it.
So Gyalis, what is me I see on Snapchat? Not the same nasty blood crying anybody girl where you tell me nothing to worry about. Me see you on Snapchat a party with her enough of yourself in her face. I wind up. It's alright, you know, to worry about me a bumbo Since you want there with her, go live with her blood them. You see everything over here? Your clothes, your shoes, you're that bun up. You see all your hookah? You may mash up that blood You see all the dog where you have over here where you love? You're not dead. You understand what I tell you, say? It's alright, man. I like how Thanksgiving and forward. Tell your mother, say, off. Me not come over there on a cat. Now I'm
Yo, relax now. You should definitely come over tonight. Nah, lie.
I mean, if you want me to.
What do you mean? Of course.
So what do you want to do when I get there?
You know, we can watch a movie, cuddle, turn off the movie, cuddle, touch.
You're so crazy. Okay, I'm on my way.
All gone, babes?
You should come over and fuck my throat.
You have some girl, when them take cocky, them pum burp. Just a brrr and a let out air. Big up all of the girl them with the flat tire pum.
Thank God me a fuck lawyer. Them say no for short the last name in vain, but they put me not a more.
Baby girl, me not care if your pum smell like armpit. My cocky still a go roll on. Big up all of the girl them will have the armpit front.
I'm a plan to give the boy a little back shot. My back it and my catch up on the walk now. Look how you did that test my power WhatsApp.
Yo, caution.
Baby, all if your pum dry enough dandruff. Enough man out there would still give your head and shoulders ready.
Yo, I'm if you pity now your mouth too. You dirty whore. Me grab your throat. Well, I a swag. My finger in your mouth is half a month. Me a work.
Yo, Mark, that's you? Yo. Wow, yo, it's been years. I know, man. You good? Yeah, I'm good. Yo, I gotta call Trevor and tell him. It's crazy. Yo, Trevor. Yo, guess who I ran into? Yo. What you just said a while ago? What happened? Keep me name out of your freakiness, brethren. Eh? Boy, you running at me? Me look like 100 meter.
Are you okay?
No, ma'am. I am being harassed by this predator.
I'm gonna call the police.
Yes, please call the police. I fear for my life. And let them know, say him on the sex offender list. Yeah? Let me send a salmon salad. You are going to jail now, okay? Where you can no longer run into anybody.
Officer, he's over here.
Hands behind your back. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. Fish. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one will be appointed to you.